Hi everyone, welcome to AG Mathematics. Today we will be doing question number 1 and question number 2 of exercise 8.3 class 8. Let us see the first question. It is carry out the multiplication of the expressions in each of the following pairs. They have given us 5 sums and in each of these sums they have given a pair of expressions and we have to multiply these pair of expressions. Let us begin with the first one. First one is 4p is the first expression, q plus r is the second one. What we do? We have to multiply 4p with q plus r. We will put a bracket because in this one there are two terms. One is q and one is r and they are added together. So 4p gets multiplied with q and 4p gets multiplied with r. We have to multiply them and then put the addition sign. So we will put a bracket in between so that we do not get confused. So 4p into q, 1p and 1q. So it will become 4pq, 4pq plus, now 4p is getting multiplied with r. 4p into r becomes 4pr. This is the answer for the first one. Now let us see the second one. It is ab into a minus b. The two expressions are ab and a minus b. We have to multiply ab with a minus b. Now what we will do? Again we will take it a minus b in the bracket. ab into a and ab into b. So ab into a times a will become a square. So there is only one b, so we will write b. See here, how do we know a times a becomes a square? A to the power 1, a to the power 1. A means what? A to the power 1. So the powers get added. When we multiply and the base is same, the powers get added. A to the power 1, a to the power 1, the powers get added, it becomes 2. When the base is a. B, it is only by itself. So we will keep b as it is. This is the first term. In the second term, ab minus b minus a we will keep as it is. B times b is b square. Again it is the same thing. A is by itself, there is only one a. When you multiply ab with b, there is only one a and b will be, the powers will be added. B to the power 1, b to the power 1 becomes b square. So the answer becomes a square b minus ab square. We put a minus sign because plus into minus is minus. So this is the answer for the second one, a square b minus ab square. Now let us see the third one. The third one is a plus b and 7a square b square. These are the two terms. So a plus b gets multiplied with 7a square b square. 7a square b square we will keep as it is and then a plus b we will take in the bracket. 7a square b times a. Now here 7 will be as it is because a means it is 1a. 7 ones are 7. A square times a becomes a cube. How? The powers get added. The power here is 2. Here if it is a, the power is 1. So the power get added. A square into a is a cube. B is just 1b. So we will keep as it is. When we are multiplying with a, there is only 1b here. So that will remain. Here 7, a square into a becomes a cube. There is only one b, so it becomes b. It is b as it is. So 7a cube b. That is for the first term. When we are looking at the second one here, multiplying this with the second term, we will not consider a. We will consider only b. Now 7 as it is because 7 is getting multiplied with b. b means 1b. So 7 into 1 is 7. When it is getting multiplied with b, a square will be as it is. Now b times b. A we will leave. We will take only b now. B times b will be b square. So it becomes 7a cube b plus 7a square b square. This is the answer for the third sum. Now let us have a look at the fourth one. It is a square minus 9 and then the next expression is 4a. So a square minus 9 times 4a. We have to multiply 4a with a square minus 9. So 4 into 1 becomes 4. A times a square becomes a cube. Minus 9 fours are 36. When there are constants, we can directly multiply with the number and keep as it is. 4a cube minus 36. 4a is multiplied with a square. 4 remains as it is. A into a square becomes a cube. The powers are getting added. A to the power 1, a square means a to the power 2. And the base is same. When the base is same, the powers get added when during multiplication. Okay. Now 4a times 9. 4 9s are 36. A remains as it is. So minus 36a. This is the answer for the fourth one. Now let us have a look at the fifth one. It is PQ plus QR plus RP is the first expression. 0 is the second expression. Anything multiplied with 0, the answer will be 0. So PQ plus QR plus RP into 0 is 0. This is the answer for the fifth one. Now let us see the second one. Question number 2. The question number 2 is complete the table. Here they have given two expression. First expression, second expression, and we have to find the product and write it here. Okay, we will solve it here and then write the product. First expression is A. Second one is B plus C plus D. How do we multiply them? We put a bracket again. B plus C plus D. We take it into the bracket and multiply it with A. So this becomes A times B. There is only one A and one B. So when we are multiplying A with B, first we will multiply A with only B. A times B is AB. Now we will leave B. We will write plus. A is getting multiplied with C. It becomes AC. See, this A gets multiplied with B once, and then A gets multiplied with C. A gets multiplied with D. That is how we multiply the expressions when there are plus sign. That is why we put B plus C plus D in the bracket. So A into B is AB plus A into C is AC plus A into D is AD. This is the answer for the first one. We will write it down here. It is AB plus AC plus AD. That is the product of the two expressions in the first one. Now second one. X plus y minus 5 into 5xy. It is, second one. X plus y minus 5 into 5xy. Now look here. 5xy is getting multiplied with x first, and then it is getting multiplied with y, and then it is getting multiplied with minus 5. So first we will multiply 5xy with x and write it here. 5xy into x is, see, 1x. X means 1x. So 5 ones are 5. X into x. Similar terms we will multiply. X into x becomes x square. There is no y, so we will write, there is only y on this side and there is no another y here. So we will write y as it is. This is the first term. Now second term. Again, 5 is getting multiplied with 1. Y means what? 1y. So 5 is getting multiplied with 1. So it is 5. There is no x term here in the second one. It is only y. So x will remain as it is. Here, there is one y and there is another y. Y is getting multiplied with y. It becomes y square. Okay. Now the last term. Minus 5 is getting multiplied with 5xy. So minus 5 into 5, minus 25. Minus into plus is minus. Minus 25. Xy, there is xy here and there is no xy in this term here, 5. So only one xy. We will write that as it is. So the answer is 5x square y plus 5xy square minus 25xy. This is the product. We will write the product here. It is 5x square y plus 5xy square minus 25xy. This is the product here. Now let us do the third one. P is getting multiplied with 6p square minus 7p plus 5. We will multiply p with 6p square. I have directly taken it in the bracket. 6p square minus 7p plus 5. Now p times 6p square. We will leave these two terms. First we will multiply p with 6p square. P means what? 1p. 1 into 6 will be 6. P into p square becomes p cube. The powers get added. P means what? P to the power 1. P square means p to the power 2. When the base is same, p is same, the powers and during multiplication when the base is same, the powers get added. So 1 plus 2 is 3. P into p square is p cube. Okay. Now here p into minus 7. P into minus 7p. So p means what? 1. 1 into minus 7 is minus 7. P into p square. It becomes minus 7p square. Now p into 5. 5p plus 5p. This is the product in the third one. So the answer here is 6p cube minus 7p square plus 5p. The product of the third one, the answer for the third one here. Now let us do the fourth one. It is 4p square q square is getting multiplied with p square minus q square. I have written it down here. 4p square q square is getting multiplied with p square minus q square. So we have to multiply 4p square q square with p square first. So 4 into 1. 1p square, p square means it is 1p square. 4 into 1 is 4. P square into p square becomes p to the power 4. Why? Because p, the base is same. It is p. When during multiplication, when the base is same, the powers get added. See here, p square is getting multiplied with p square. The base p is same. The powers are added. 2 plus 2 is 4. So p square into p square is p to the power 4. Now q square. In this first term, there is no q square. There is only q square here. When you look here, when you look at this one, there is no q square here. So there is only one q square. So it will remain as it is. Okay, now minus, plus into minus is minus. 4 into 1 is 4. P square as it is. Now q square into q square. The base is same. The powers will get added. So it becomes q to the power 4. So 4 p to the power 4 q square minus 4 p square q to the power 4. This is the answer for the fourth one in the table. 4 p to the power 4 q square minus 4 p square q to the power 4. Now let us do the fifth one. It is very easy. A plus b plus c. A plus b plus c is getting multiplied with abc. We will write it here. abc is multiplied with a plus b plus c. See here. abc we have to multiply with a, abc we have to multiply with b, and abc we have to multiply with c, and write down the plus sign in between. First, abc is getting multiplied with a. So a into a, similar terms get multiplied, they become a square. So it is a square. Now bc, in the first term there is no bc here. There is no bc here, so only one bc. So it becomes a into a square bc. Plus abc is getting multiplied with b. Okay, abc into b is a is only once, b and b twice. So b square, b into b, b square, and c as it is. So a, b square, c it becomes. Plus abc into c. ab remains, see when we are doing multiplying abc with c, ab remains as it is. C times c is c square. So it is a square bc plus ab square c plus abc square. We will write down the answer in the last one. A square bc plus ab square c plus abc square. This is the product of the fourth one. See here, these are the answer for the given table. This is how we write it in the table, the product. We multiply the first expression and the second expression and write down fill the table. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.